Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in Xpeng X9. This is the facelift, by the way, 2016, and it's the performance version. So in this video, I will test the headlights. But yeah, right now it is 1:30 at night, and yeah, I'm slightly late. See, it's actually not that pitch dark outside. I think the darkest time of the night now, it's around 15 minutes past 1. So yeah, okay, I'm 15 minutes late-ish. But yeah, this is how it is. It's, I think it's 12th of June, 11th or 12th of June. So it's getting quite bright outside. So we're gonna try anyway. At least we're not facing north, then it will be brighter than facing south. But in the trees over here might be kind of dark-ish. Okay, let's try. Boom! Well, it has, where is it? It has somewhat poor distribution. I set it to auto, by the way, the leveling. I have no passenger in here, no load or anything, but yeah, it seems to be somewhat centered, mostly. Not that much spread, not that much strength in general. And it's just on and off, no matrix, nothing like that. So kind of strange for a flagship from Xpeng to not have any matrix light or turning lights or anything like that. So well, yeah, see here, okay, boom. Well, actually now on these three I see that it shines kind of high. Yeah, but very centered, not much to the side. So yeah. Like here, you see? Yeah, it shines actually relatively high compared to many other cars. Here you can see better. But as soon as I get some distance to the trees, then it's not that that bright anymore. So yeah, based on this, not that good strength, not that good wideness. So I mean, if I would get this car, you know, I'll probably just slap down some LED bar from Cleavage, Bilkomponenter, not far from here. You can let them install it for you also. And also I recommend what's it called again? Linear laser, laser linear elite. I had 18. But I think nowadays it's 24. Something really good LED bar. Wow, dude, it's so bright outside. What the heck, man? How I have to do this one at night? Okay, well, if it was a cloudy day, then it will appear to be a lot darker. Only problem is that on the cloudy days, it also tends to be rainy, and then the road is wet, so then I don't get the same impression of the headlights. So yeah, all right, this is the best we can do right now. So yeah, with LED bar, then it's just a completely different story. That is way better. Then you don't care. It's just plenty of wideness. Oh yeah, the reason why I mentioned the laser is that they have really good spread and strength. Some of the cheaper ones, the strands that you put, it's like it comes with that thing is not that great on this license plate. Okay, here the farm inspection. It's not really a farm, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're not gonna wake any farms tonight with these lights. Okay, let's hammer it. Ooh. Oh, it goes kind of schnell. Huh? So yeah, again, was shine in the bush here. See, we didn't see any deer tonight. Okay. So, yeah. Not sure what else to say. Kind of disappointing for a flagship. You would expect the best headlights. I feel like actually somebody. Whoa, okay. Speaking of deer, there's one. Okay, careful. Those legs. Oh, nice protein. Okay, but yeah, I feel like some of the less expensive cars I tested recently had better headlights than this car. You know, so. Well, but not everything here is top notch. Like the stereo, well, you know, it's supposed to be some really good stereo with some ceiling mounting speakers also, and I think I read it 2,000 watt. Really? 2 kilowatt sound system. But when I played it, at least on the USB stick, okay, maybe not the highest, highest quality. It didn't play that loud. I said, that is not 2 kilowatt, maybe 2 kilowatt PMPO, not 2 kilowatt RMS. But yeah, okay, but you know, that was the stereo sound system. And then maybe also when it comes to the headlight here, not the best they fitted in it. Maybe that's why it's not like super expensive compared to many of the German brands like Mercedes or BMW and Audi. Okay, maybe they tend to take, I mean, they probably have high profit, or maybe they don't do things that efficient, you know, cost-wise versus Chinese. But yeah, back to the whole headlights. Not sure if I would give it points. I mean, it doesn't have to be pitch dark to see that this is not that great, so I would probably give it 4 out of 10 points only. Alright, anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.